Hello, I'm Michele Marchesan, Chief Operation Officer for Roboze. I've recently joined the company and I'm already amazed by the enthusiasm, the passion and the talent that I'm finding here. Just to introduce a little bit myself, I've been in this industry for the last 18 plus years in different capacities as a Chief Revenue Officer for 3D Systems, Head of Industrial Printers for XYZ Printing, and more recently I was Chief Growth Officer for Nexa 3D. I am incredibly surprised and passionate about the ability that Roboze has to manufacture top-class printers that can actually print with super polymers. Basically, we can deliver additive manufacturing now, as opposed to talking about print the future that I'm sure you've heard so many times in this industry. We can print incredible materials, as I said, super polymers like PIC and carbon PIC that are very difficult to be printed, and we print them with extremely good quality and with amazing productivity, thus enabling customers to use that for very, very demanding applications with no compromise. My goal here at Roboze is to exponentially grow this company and bring it to the level it deserves because of the technology and the people here. Wish me good luck, and are you ready to print strong like metal? See you soon.